7 Bad Habits That Destroy Success. Your future depends on the present to shape the dream of who you will become and turn it into a reality. As they say, the only difference between those who failed and those who succeed lies in their habits. Habits make the man, or in some cases, bad habits unmake the man. Think of bad habits as a comfortable bed, easy to get into but hard to get out of. These are the ever-present obstacles on our path to achievement. Welcome to MoneyIQ, where we help you learn how our actions and outcomes are driven almost entirely by your mind. Make sure to subscribe to keep up with our latest uploads. Number 1. Stop the negative self-talk. To badmouth someone is considered impolite, but to demean yourself is destructive. Often, we treat other people with utmost kindness compared to the pressure we put on our shoulders. We have created this image of ourselves that we have to always live up to expectations or be viewed as something less than spectacular. And that's just a mere illusion. It comes as an easy task for us to invalidate our hard work and plummet ourselves into the black hole of unhappiness and misery, which does nothing but further put us down. Nothing good comes from negative self-talk, and you should start doing actions that eliminate it from your life. Number 2, love yourself more. You can never really give love to others without learning to do so first with the most important person in your life, yourself. We have lost more than necessary people in our lives and are only left with the lingering feeling of regret and what has been. But all of that boiled down to a common issue: lack of self-love. 3. Manage your everyday upsets without losing it or erupting in anger. Anger is a perfectly normal and, in some cases, healthy human emotion. However, if it spirals out of control and becomes destructive, it can cause issues at work, in your personal relationships, and in your overall quality of life. It can also make you feel as if you're at the mercy of this powerful and unpredictable emotion. The purpose of anger management is to decrease both your emotional and physiological arousal caused by rage. You can't get rid of, ignore, or change the things or people who irritate you, but you can learn to control your reactions. Having more patience and perseverance with your tasks and the people around you might help. And always remember to take deep breaths from time to time. Be chill and let your calmness take over you. Number 4. Put that phone down. Exit that social media app. In today's modern society, technology is our lifeline. We cannot fully and adequately function without our gadgets by our side. And of course, with the advancement in devices comes the development of the World Wide Web, specifically social media. Social media has been the new trend towards recreation and communication through text and media. Social media has driven people to set unrealistic goals and expectations for their lives, developing a mindset that we compete with everyone on who has the best life. In reality, we're just trying to live our lives the best way we can. You don't need those thousands of likes or comments from people who couldn't care less about you. Number 5, infinite patience produces immediate results. We live in what we like to call an instant world, where we get things even in just one click. Access to information? Just a few motions or words, and about 1 million results appear in less than a second. Want to contact a friend? Get them on the phone or chat with them, and they'll receive it immediately. Needing to travel? Book your tickets online. With the modernization of the way we live, we are now used to getting everything at a drop of a hat. But sadly, not everything is always that easy. Most times, the vital things in life requires a tedious process encompassing one's time, efforts, and above all, patience. The downside of living in the technological world is that we get frustrated and impatient once we pass a particular time of working and waiting. When things get difficult, most of us find a way to talk ourselves out of it. This could be anything from a gym routine to eating everything and everything that makes us work hard. I hope you remember that great things come to those who wait, and especially to those who work hard continuously to achieve those dreams they have. Number 6. Stop letting others control your life. We all know that humans are social animals. We are born to seek interactions with others. By nature, we reach out to gain social acceptance, so other people's opinions play a massive part in shaping who we are. While most times it contributes to developing oneself, it can quickly turn south when we allow ourselves to live in those opinions too much. When you are already part of society's brutal reality, you're followed by countless pairs of eyes watching your every move. And we understand all of us want to present ourselves as this perfect character that surpasses every single standard set for them. But we can't do that constantly. People will always talk about you, so you might as well do something you love for you. Because truthfully, those who matter don't mind, and those who mind don't matter. So worry not that pretty little head of yours. Number 7, time is money. And the simple answer is no. Time is not money. Many people overwork themselves day and night to earn money, to add more cash to their usual payouts. While some people may think that this is the proper mindset of a hardworking person, this is absolutely not right at all. According to new research, favoring money over time may actually reduce your happiness. The researchers discovered that students who placed a higher value on money were less happy a year after graduation than their peers who placed a higher value on time. To put it simply, when you prioritize your time, you live in the moment and enjoy the life you are currently living in. Prioritizing money narrows your views and perspectives, which can cause the self-destruction. Time is not money, so value your time more. In this day and age, it is now more crucial than ever to understand what bad habits are and how to prevent them for the betterment of ourselves and others. Do you have any bad habits you wish to grow out of? Make sure you leave them in the comment section below. As humans, we acquire poor habits to cope with stress, our relationships, and other people in our lives. But that does not mean that we will let these habits consume us. We are not defined by these, but rather how we overcome them. That's all for our video today. This is our friendly reminder to always take care of your mind that takes care of everything else in your bodies. Remember that every moment is a choice, so choose to do it for growth. And we're here to help you with that. Find connection, build wealth, live authentically. This has been Money IQ. We'll be seeing you next time.